Multiplying radicals. You simplify first, and then you multiply corresponding parts. So, for your corresponding parts, these are already simplified, so there won't be any simplifying first. Okay? Your corresponding parts, you multiply the outsides. Okay? So I would get 2. 2 times 5 is 10. And then you multiply the insides. And you would get 6. Okay? Step 3 is simplify again, if possible. Okay? So if I multiply these two together, I cannot simplify 6. This would be your answer. Okay? So if I gave you one like square root of 8 times square root of 32. The first thing we do is we always simplify. So again, if you don't remember, we can do this method. We bring a 2 out front and we put a 2 in. We can do 32. Remember, smallest number is 2. Divide them. 16. Smallest number is 2. 8. Smallest number 2. 4. 2. 2. And 1. So now we have 2 pairs of 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. Okay? And then we are going to put a 2 in here. So now we'll multiply the corresponding parts. 2 times 4 is 8. You multiply the insides, and you're going to get 2 times 2 is 4. Simplify if you can. Can we simplify? What's square root of 4? Times 8. Okay? That's all you really have to do. Be careful. So you'll see some like this. Parenthesis 2 square root 5 plus 3 square root 8. Yeah, well, you can't really add them, but simplify first. We can't do any, these are already simplified. The square root of 8, remember, is 2 square root 2. So you get 6 square root 2. Now you cannot add these because these are not the same. So now we have to distribute this through. If there's no number out front, you can always put a 1. So it would be 1 times 2, which is 2. 3 times 5 is 15. 1 times 6 is 6. And 3 times 2 is 6. And that would be your answer. You can have, we're going to have some variables too. So we'll also have something like 3 square root 5x to the third times 6 square root 7x to the fourth y squared. So here I would simplify. 5's a prime number. I can't simplify that. But remember, I can move this down to a 2, leave an x in here. The square root of x squared is x. I can do the same thing over here. 7 is prime. The square root of x to the fourth is x. Square root of y squared is y. So I'm up to this.
Shouldn't that be square root of x?
Yeah, sorry, right there should be a squared. And now we multiply our corresponding parts. So we multiply 3x times x squared y we're going to have 18 x cubed y. And we're going to take x times 7 and get 7x. Think you got it?